I've read countless books, but this book is extremely powerful. Its ideas are so powerful that it was even banned in the United States. This book reveals truths that those in power don't want us to know, often silencing anyone who speaks out. Why is this book so controversial? In my upcoming videos, we'll take a closer look at each of its laws. So if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the like button, because this series makes you unstoppable. Law 1, never outshine your master. Before we get into this law, we need to talk about something important: insecurity. This feeling isn't something we learn in school or colleges. It's something we grow up with. Think back to past when we were kids and felt jealous if our parents showed affection to other child. That feeling of insecurity sticks with us. Studies show that around 98% of people feel insecure, while only 2% know how to deal with it well. Most people we interact with will likely be part of that 98%. Insecurity is everywhere, shaping our actions and decisions. This book gives many insights on manipulation, and the first law tells us to use someone else's insecurity to gain power. But be careful. Never directly confront or expose that insecurity, or you'll find yourself in trouble. So please use it wisely. Let me give you an example. Remember in school when a teacher made a mistake during a lesson? If a student interrupted to correct them in front of everyone, how do you think the teacher would react? Their attitude toward that student would probably change a lot. The same idea applies to work. If you try to outshine your boss, be ready for a tough response. This doesn't just happen at work, it's true in personal relationships too. When talking to someone older or more experienced, you might hear, "I've seen more of the world than you," even if you have a good point. In today's work environment, those who do well often know how to navigate these unspoken rules. I'm not saying you should flatter everyone, but understanding how to position yourself for your benefit is important. So what does never outshine your master really mean? Your master could be a boss, teacher, or even an older sibling, anyone you see as above you in a certain context. Always remember, it's smart to listen more and talk less. You might know more than they do, but acting like you know less can help you build trust in relationships. People usually prefer being around those they see as less threatening. This strategy can help you learn and grow from those around you. If you make someone feel inferior, they might not want to share their knowledge with you. Showing vulnerability isn't a weakness. If a little humility helps you succeed in the future, embrace it. You're hiding your strengths until the right moment. Let's think about chess for a moment. This game requires you to think ahead and sometimes sacrifice pieces to win. You might let go of a pawn to distract your opponent, making them feel in control, only to take advantage of them when they least expect it. In moments of anger, we often react without thinking. That's why it's important to stay calm. The ancient strategist Chanakya was famous for knowing when to act and when to stay quiet. If you look into Chanakya's teachings, you might find some ideas that seem manipulative. But remember, many blunt truths can sound harsh in this world. Ultimately, it's up to you how you use these tactics, whether to reach your goals or protect yourself from harm. Today's law, never outshine your master, is about understanding dynamics and strategically positioning yourself for success. I hope you found this insightful and that you can apply it positively in your life. Let me know what you think about this video and what topics you'd like to explore next. Join me today because next 47 laws will make you unstoppable beast. Thanks for watching.